What if your energy, confidence, and performance could be improved with just one daily supplement? This is Zydenafil, a male advanced support formula designed to boost overall performance and vitality. Let's break it down simply. This supplement combines powerful ingredients like L-Arginine, supports blood flow, Ginseng boosts energy and stamina, Maca and Tongkat Ali, known for enhancing performance and libido. Zinc supports testosterone and overall health. Together, they help improve strength, endurance, and overall confidence. Now, here's how to use it. Take it daily as directed on the label, with water, preferably at the same time each day. Consistency is important because this is not an instant medicine. It works gradually over time. Now, let's talk about side effects. Some people may experience mild headache, stomach discomfort, nausea, or restlessness. In rare cases, it may cause increased heart rate or changes in blood pressure. If you notice anything unusual, stop using it and consult a doctor. Now, very important precautions. Do not use if you are under 18. Avoid if you have heart problems, high blood pressure, or serious medical conditions. Do not combine with alcohol excessively or other performance supplements. If you are taking medications, especially for blood pressure or heart, talk to your doctor first. And remember, this is a dietary supplement, not a prescription drug, and not a cure for medical conditions. So use it responsibly, because real performance comes from safe and smart choices. Follow for more simple, powerful health guides, because the right knowledge makes all the difference.